Cake Wallet app: the pros, the cons. When it comes to crypto wallets, privacy lovers often turn to one name: Cake Wallet. Designed for simplicity, speed, and anonymity, Cake Wallet has quickly built a reputation among Monero users. But what makes it stand out, and what should you watch out for? Let's break down the real pros and cons. Starting with the pros, Cake Wallet is one of the most user-friendly wallets for Monero, one of the most private cryptocurrencies on the market. Unlike many crypto wallets, Cake doesn't just support Monero, it's built around it. The app gives you full control of your private keys, meaning your funds and your data stay in your hands, not on some company's servers. The interface is clean and beginner-friendly. You can easily send, receive, or exchange crypto within minutes, all without exposing personal details. Another major advantage is its built-in exchange feature. You can swap Monero, Bitcoin, Litecoin, and a few other coins directly inside the app, no need for an external exchange. That's a big win for convenience and privacy. Cake Wallet is also open source. This means the code is public and constantly reviewed by the crypto community. Transparency builds trust, and in crypto, that's everything. Now for the cons. While the wallet is excellent for privacy coins like Monero, its multi-coin support is limited. You won't find Ethereum or most altcoins here. If you're managing a wide portfolio, Cake might not be enough on its own. Another issue is network syncing. Monero nodes can take time to connect and update, especially on slower connections. It's not Cake's fault, it's just how Mono works, but it can be frustrating for new users expecting instant updates. Lastly, while Cake Wallet is non-custodial, losing your recovery phrase means losing access forever. There's no password reset, no customer support, recovery total responsibility rests on you. In conclusion, Cake Wallet is a powerhouse for privacy-focused users who value independence and simplicity. It's not designed for every coin, but for Monero enthusiasts, it's nearly perfect. If your goal is true financial privacy, Cake Wallet delivers, and it does so with style and confidence.